Welcome back. In this session, we will refine the mudguard and wheel hub and begin working on the wheel spokes. First, let's shape the edge of the mudguard to match the reference more accurately. The current wheel hub appears a two-cylindrical, so we will modify its shape to better resemble a real-world reference. Next, we will create the wheel spokes. Start by taking a cylinder, scale it and positioning it to match the reference image. Keep in mind that the spokes in the reference image may not be entirely accurate since the image was generated using an AI tool. Instead, focus on creating a logical, real-world arrangement for the spokes. Place the pivot point at the tip of the spoke object to facilitate duplication. To connect the elements, we will use the bridge tool. This allows us to create a smooth bend by adding a subdivision where it necessary. Group the spokes object and position the pivot at the center of the wheel hub. Use duplicate special and rotate the spokes into place. Shift D will duplicate the continue the action as demonstrated in the video. We need to create a second set of spokes. Follow the same steps ensuring the pivot position and placement match the video tutorial. Once done, group the completed front wheel. For the back wheel, there no need to start from the scratch. Duplicate the front wheel, then position and adjust it to match the back wheel placement in the reference. The back mudguard need an extension. Duplicate the existing mudguard, adjust its pivot point into correct position and rotate it into place. Delete an unwanted faces and combine the two meshes. Use the bridge tool to connect them. Then apply the edit edge flow tool to align the edges evenly. This concludes this session. In the next session, we will continue blocking the remaining elements of the bicycle. Thank you everyone.